To redeem Amazon Prime Visa Extended Warranty Protection, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an eligible Amazon Prime Visa card and have made a purchase using this card. The extended warranty protection is automatically applied to eligible purchases, so you do not need to take any action at the time of purchase. Next, review your purchase to confirm it qualifies for the extended warranty protection. Most items purchased with your Amazon Prime Visa card are eligible, but some exclusions apply, such as items purchased for resale or items that have existing manufacturer warranties longer than 3 years. If your item is eligible and the manufacturer warranty has expired, you can initiate the redemption process. Start by gathering required documents, including the purchase receipt, a copy of the manufacturer warranty, and any other relevant documentation. Contact the Amazon Prime Visa card issuer to report the issue and request extended warranty protection. You can do this by calling the phone number on the back of your card or through the online portal. Be prepared to provide the required documents and a detailed description of the issue with your item. The card issuer will review your claim and may request additional information to verify the issue. If your claim is approved, the card issuer will either repair or replace the item, or provide a refund, depending on the specific circumstances. It is essential to act promptly, as the extended warranty protection typically has a time limit, usually up to 1 year after the manufacturer warranty expires. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Amazon Prime Visa extended warranty protection and enjoy the benefits of extended coverage on your purchases.